Hi everyone, this is Shivangi Dutt. I'm a makeup artist and today I'm going to show you how I created this editorial makeup inspired by the 80s fashion with a very bold blue eye and a very clean base. Keep watching for more. I always start the makeup with a hydrating mist. Today I'm using the coconut mist from Huda Beauty. This has a beautiful coconut essence and it also doesn't just hydrate the face but it leaves this moisturizing effect on the skin, which is really nice. And now I'm using a hyaluronic serum which also has a little bit of a really nice watery effect in it, which is really nice for hydrating the skin in the summer. My favorite mattifying primers for the T-zone area has to be the Matte Rescue from Professional. It works really well and for this weather in Delhi, it is absolutely essential to have this in the kit. So for the base today, I want to really skin match. So I'm going to be swatching 3 to 4 shades to make sure that we're getting the correct shade of foundation. To skin match foundations, it is essential to mix and match your foundation shades, which is what I have done today. I've used a darker one and a lighter one, which you'll see at the top and bottom, and the mix of it is right in the middle, the first one that I applied. And according to her skin tone and undertone, the one in the middle is matching perfectly. As you can see, even during application, it just looks like I've applied a second skin on her face. And the blending is also very, very easy when you're using a foundation which is closest to the skin tone. To contour the nose, I always prefer to use a few shades lighter of a contour because as compared to the depths we give on the cheeks and jawline, the nose can create very harsh lines and look very stark. And you also want your cream contour to be very easily blendable so there is no harsh lines. This is the Sameer Khozami translucent powder in shade number 2 and it is definitely one of the really nice translucent powders that I have. Now that the base is set, we're going to skip to the eye makeup. I always like to chalk out any graphic lines that I need to draw, and now I used a black pencil and I'm just smudging it out where it is. I'm really building on this eyeliner. I don't just want to go in once and start making strokes. So I'm really taking my time, slowly mapping out, evening out, and then applying the graphic eyeliner. As you can see, I want them to look as close to equal as possible, even though it's not always as easy as it looks, but it's definitely worth the effort. And now using this eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, I'm just going to pop in a little bit of this moonstone kind of a color in the inner corners. And then we're going to be starting in with this cushion color from Danessa Myrix. This is in Blue Skies and I absolutely love this color. It is so vibrant and the texture of this product is also so beautiful to apply. It has this glossy finish which really makes it feel like you've got this gloss on your eyelids, although I do recommend letting it sit and dry. So I let my model have some coffee in the meantime and then just do the eyebrows. I do have to say that you would want to set it with a little bit of eyeshadow because of how glossy it is. It will tend to crease. Then I created a very long winged eyeliner and made sure to keep it clean and as precise as possible so that the top graphic liner and the bottom one, both of them have a very clean finish. And then just finishing off the makeup, of course, using a little bit of a soft blush. We don't want to take too much away from the eyes, so it's very important that we don't make the rest of the face extremely colorful. We do want to focus only on the eyes. The lip shade is also going to stay fairly muted. We're going to keep it as close to the skin tone as possible without keeping it an exact match. So we do have the lips popping out a little bit, but not the color of the lips. And then you want to set it all in place so the base and everything can sit in really well into the skin and it starts to look as if it is her face all together. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. Do not forget to let me know in comments what you thought of it, and don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for many more different looks. This is how the result came out and I was absolutely loving it. Anytime you're creating a look, whether it's makeup or with your costuming, hairstyling plays an integral part to help you perform the look overall. And in this look, I think our model just looked extremely stunning. I did not shoot applying the eyelashes on. We did that a little later because we had to find the perfect lashes for this look. and I think we did end up finding them because she is looking like an absolute 80s diva. So don't forget to comment and let us know what you think about this look and what you want to see next.